Okay, emails may not be as sexy as Instagram, but guess what? Everybody on Instagram has an email address to log in to their Instagram account. Hey there, Lisa on Autopilot here. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss every time I upload a brand new video. Email marketing, let's talk about it. Email marketing has been around forever, since the beginning of internet time. And guess what? Emails are not going anywhere at all. And that is why you need to be building your list of email subscribers so that you can follow up with them, so that you can sell them stuff. And you need to be building relationships with them so that they'll eventually buy from you, because that's the ultimate goal, right? Is to make sales in your business. But if you want to build an automated business, you gotta start building your list. I'm telling you right now, there's absolutely nothing more exciting than checking your emails and seeing new leads and new sales coming into your business. People that are actually finding your content out there, whether it's a YouTube video, a social media post, whatever it is. If you know how to do it correctly, you'll start getting leads and sales on autopilot. And that's the goal that I want for you. I want you to make that automated income. I want you to build an automated business. And you know that you want to build an automated business too, don't you? Of course you do. Let me paint a picture for you. This morning when I woke up, and by the way, I don't check my emails the first thing in the morning. But eventually I check my emails. And this morning, after I had my breakfast, I checked my emails and I made a few sales. Now, this didn't just happen by chance. It happened on purpose because I purposely planted seeds. I created little marketing robots, is what I like to call it, all over the internet. And that is why I was able to get those leads and sales coming in on autopilot. So when it comes to email marketing, your number one goal is to build your list, to provide value to your community, to build relationships with them, to follow up with them, to connect with them on social media so that they'll eventually buy from you. What I love about email marketing is that there's so many different things that you can do with emails. So you can sell a program, let's say a course or a coaching program. If you have a network marketing company, you can sell your products and services through your network marketing company. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can sell your affiliate programs. You can invite your subscribers to any events that you have going on. There's so many different things that you can do when it comes to email marketing. So if you are not building your list right now, don't worry, because in this podcast episode, I'm gonna teach you exactly what you need to be doing to start building your list. So go ahead and click on this link right here, lisaonautopilot.com/7, and go listen to that episode now. I promise you, you're gonna get a ton of value from it. I'll see you over there.